Understanding Snore Fest, a phrase unpacked. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a phrase that might tickle your funny bone or have you yawning. Snore Fest. It's a quirky expression in English that packs a punch, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Let's cut to the chase. Snore Fest is a humorous term used to describe something that is incredibly boring or dull. Imagine something so uninteresting that it could put you to sleep. That's a snore fest for you. It's often used in a light-hearted or sarcastic manner. Now, let's break it down. The word snore refers to the sound some people make when they're sleeping deeply and, let's be honest, not silently. The word fest is a shortened form of festival, which is typically a lively and exciting event. Put them together, and you've got an ironic twist. A festival of snores, or in other words, an event that's far from exciting. You can whip out this phrase when you want to inject a bit of humor into your conversation about a boring experience. Maybe you attended a lecture that was less than thrilling, or you watched a film that didn't quite capture your attention. Saying, "That was a real snore fest," can add a playful spin to your critique. Let's see it in action. "I thought that movie would never end. What a snore fest. The conference turned out to be a snore fest. I could hardly keep my eyes open." And that's a wrap on Snore Fest. Next time you find yourself in the middle of a yawn-inducing situation, you'll have the perfect term to describe it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been anything but a snore fest for you. See you in the next one.